Hi everyone, in this video, I will show you YouTube new user mistakes to avoid for best experience. So number one, you have to look for this not setting your home area correctly. YouTube TV is location based, so your local channels depend on your zip code. Mistake forgetting to set the correct home area when signing up. To fix, you have to go to settings, area, home area, and update it to your actual zip code. Number two, ignoring profile setup. Each household gets up to 6 profiles with personalized recommendations. Mistake, using one account for everyone, which clutters your library. And how to fix, create separate profiles so each family members gets their own DVR library and recommendations. Number three, forgetting about unlimited DVR. YouTube TV gives you unlimited cloud DVR for 9 months. Mistake, not adding shows, sports, or movies to your library thinking storage is limited. Fix, hit the button on any show or event and you'll never run out of space. Number four, overloading or overlooking add-on trials. Many premium networks offer free trials. Mistake, paying for add-ons you don't use or forgetting to cancel trials. Fix, track your free trials under settings, membership, and cancel before billing. Number five, not using key plays for sports. YouTube TV has a key plays feature that shows highlights instantly. Mistake, watching the entire recording just to find big moments. And how to fix, use key plays during games to catch up quickly. Then, streaming at maximum quality or slow internet. 4K streams require at least a 13 Mbps internet speed. Mistakes, always forcing 1080p 4K on weak Wi-Fi causing buffering. Fix, adjust resolution to 720p if your internet is slow. Lastly, not checking device compatibility. YouTube works on smart TVs like Roku, Fire TV, Apple TV, Chromecast, and consoles. Mistakes, using outdated devices with poor app support. Fix, keep your apps and devices updated for the best streaming quality. And that's it. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.